Signal Hound's PN400 harnesses the power of two SM series spectrum analyzers to create a 100 kHz to 43.5 GHz phase noise and VCO test system, adding cross-correlation to unlock phase noise floors 20 to 30 dB lower than the capabilities of a single SM200 or SM435. The integrated low-noise variable power supply and tune voltage facilitate precise VCO testing and characterization. This feature enables tuning sensitivity and VCO pushing, offering high-performance automated test solutions that deliver accuracy in diverse test and measurement systems. The PN400 unlocks the power of specialized equipment without sacrificing flexibility of a general-purpose spectrum analyzer. When the spectrum analyzers are not in use as a phase noise test system, they are versatile RF analysis tools that can be used for a wide range of applications, all facilitated through Spike. With the introduction of the PN400, Signal Hound now offers an advanced phase noise test toolkit. This revolutionary test solution includes hyper-focused licensed software features for phase noise measurements and VCO testing. The specialized feature bundle expands industry-standard analysis capabilities for phase noise testing, automatic signal searching, automatic spur rejection, amplitude measurements, and more. Activated through Spike, the toolkit requires a software license purchase and brings powerful performance in a flexible format. With full SCPI automation, the Advanced Phase Noise Test Toolkit unlocks enterprise-grade accuracy and cutting-edge features to your workflow. The PN400 performance specifications are suitable to replace a costly dedicated phase noise tester in the lab. This is the most cost-effective test solution on the market. Precise phase noise and VCO testing, cutting-edge software, and powerful Signal Hound spectrum analyzers combined in one superior system. Increased phase noise test capability and incredibly fast measurements add even more value to your PN400 phase noise and VCO test system at a price our competitors can't touch. Signal Hound, unrivaled value in RF test and measurement technology. Proudly made in the USA.